Do you think I'm fat? Yes or no? Yes?
Hello, good morning. Myself Riddhima and I am looking for a suitable groom who will never call me any pet name. Boy should strictly remember that he don't call me pumpkin, honey, sugar, any other sweet name because I am not a dessert. The boy should understand that I know that calling me any pet name means forgetting me and giving me a different personality. He should also keep in mind that comparing me with a toy will not be tolerated. He should never call me Teddy, Kitty, Dolly because I am not going to play with him. Only interested males can apply with resume no pets@gmail.com.